Hi, in this video we are going to be cover introduction to data analytic and introduction to R. Introduction to data analytics. What is data analytics? The data analytics involve examining the raw data to find trends and answer few business questions or business driven questions. So the process of data analytics involve investigation of some pattern on the raw data or the trends in the raw data and answering the business questions for decision making. So the data analytic process involves examining raw data, investigating the trends, the pattern in it, from that answering few business questions. Why this is important? Because nowadays the business world is very complex, very competitive. In order to make proper decision making for the business process, we need to rely on data analytics. The data collected for decision of business is big or huge in nature. Investigating those data manually and making business decision is very tough and complex. So we are going to data analytic, a systematic method of computer program based approach whereby we are analyzing the big data, identifying the pattern and trends. From that, we are trying to answer questions for some business decision making. For example, the business question may be whether opening a branch shop in a particular location is right or wrong, or it may be produce some profit to the business model or not. This is the business question. For that, we can collect the data of the customers on the region and we can apply analytic process. Then we can find the answer for that. Whether opening a branch shop for particular business company will be giving profit in the particular area or not. This can be answered by proper data analytic process. This type of decision making for business is called as informed or data driven business decision. This is very critical for this complex world of introduction to R. R is a programming language which is ideal for hypothesis testing, regression analysis, time series analysis. Mainly, it is designed for statistical analysis. Now, it is very mature to handle entire data analytic process. For example, R could able to integrate the programming language of C++, Python, and Java. It can able to connect to the database, spreadsheets, and websites and web APIs. So this capability of connecting database, spreadsheet, and web API enable us to complete the first stage of data analytic, which is called data collection. So using this facility, we can collect the data from databases, spreadsheets, and websites. R has very good software packages for manipulating and transformation of the data, like DPLYR and TIDYR are the packages which is used to preparing the data for data analytics, which we call it as a second stage in the data analytic, data cleaning. So R supports data cleaning process by manipulating and transformation packages of DPLYR and TADYR. The third stage of the data analytic is exploratory analysis. For that, we need some more visualization tools, which is also supported by R, like ggplot2, plotly, and lattice packages are used in R to create professional plots and graph, which is useful for the explorative data analysis stages, which is useful for the explorative data analysis stage. And next stage of data analytics is making machine learning model. For that also, R has very good rich set of packages for deploy machine learning and do statistical analysis. And final stage is interpretation of machine learning outcome, which is also supported again by these plot packages, ggplot2, plotly. These packages enable us to interpret the outcome of the machine learning model outcome. So, in nutshell, the R programming language supports entire data analytic process from data collection to visualization and decision making with its rich set of library packages.